If you're the type of person who writes simple conditional statements like this, then this video is for you. Introducing ternary operators. This type of conditional statement turns this into this. With that, you can now end this video or stick around for a simple explanation on how to use it and some additional examples. Also, give this video a like and comment down below for them sweet algorithm juice. Still here? Great! Let's break it down. We define the variable type on the left. For the result, we first type in the condition that needs to be met, similar on how we write our if statements. After that, we put on a question mark to ask the condition. If the variable has been met or is true, it sets the value of the variable as specified. If it's false, then it's the other way around. You can also use ternary operators as a conditional statement to your return values for your methods. An example will be on getting a drink at a bar. If your age meets the requirements, you get a beer. If not, then it's juice for you, son. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.